Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make Kothambir Vadi. Kothambir Vadi is basically fried coriander fritters and this is a very tasty Maharashtrian recipe. So let's check out how to make Kothambir Vadi. To make Kothambir Vadi, we have taken 2 cups or 200 grams of besan or chickpea flour, 2 cups finely chopped coriander leaves, 40 grams or 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon peanut powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 2 tablespoon oil for tempering, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds or rai, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, half teaspoon carom seeds or ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, 10 grams or half inch piece of ginger, 25 grams or 6 green chilies. We have taken the medium light green ones which are not too spicy, 20 grams or 6 big cloves of garlic, oil to fry. Now let's begin by pounding the chopped garlic in a mortar and pestle, followed by the green chilies, and the ginger. So we are pounding each of them separately. Now let's set these aside and add rice flour to the besan. And then we have to add water little by little and make a nice batter out of this. First let's add very little water and give it a good mix in order to get rid of the lumps, and then add a little more. Our batter is ready. It should be of a slightly thicker consistency, not very thin. Now we've heated some oil in a pan. Let's add mustard seeds. Once they splutter, let's add cumin seeds and the carom seeds. Don't let the carom seeds brown. Just cook for maybe less than half a minute and then add hing to it, followed by the crushed ginger, green chilies and garlic. And now let's give this a good mix until the raw flavor of the ginger, green chilies and garlic is gone. Then we'll add in the turmeric powder, chili powder and garam masala powder and again stir this in. Add salt to taste and then the prepared besan batter. Mix this well. Add some more water because the mixture that we prepared is a little thick and water is needed to cook this mixture well. Let's continue to stir this. You have to continuously stir this mixture, otherwise it can stick to the bottom of the pan and we don't want that. After a while, we can add 1 tablespoon of oil and continue to mix this. So now you can see the mixture has thickened and it's all ready. Let's add the coriander leaves now and stir this, continue to stir this continuously. Now we'll add in the peanut powder. And continue to stir. The end result is very good if you continuously stir this. The mixture is now turning into a ball-like consistency, as you can see. This is what we want. And now at this stage, let's transfer the mixture to a deep tray. We need a deep tray because we have to cut pieces out of this. Spread this evenly and let it cool. We are not spreading it over the entire tray because we don't want it very thin. We want the Kothmir vadi to be thick. Now the Kothmir vadi has cooled down. Let's cut this into pieces. It looks so good and it smells amazing. So we have to cut it into squares. So you can cut them into bigger squares if you like. This is the traditional wedding style Kothmir vadi, which we are showing you. Very authentic and it's a very special recipe. Look at that. We have cut it into a square. And then we are setting it aside onto a plate. The pieces are all cut now and these are ready to be fried. Now let's heat oil to deep fry. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's drop one piece of Kothmir vadi to test whether our oil is ready. Yes, the oil is ready. We need to flip this over and cook on both the sides. We have to cook this until the vadi turns nice and golden brown in color. Wow, the Kothmir vadi is ready. One Kothmir vadi is ready. Let's fry all of them this way. Remember to flip them over and cook them. The Kothmir vadis are all ready and look at their color, they look so nice. And now it's time to serve them. You can serve them with any chutney of your choice. We are serving it with sauce today. We hope you like this recipe, this authentic traditional Maharashtrian recipe of Kothmir vadi. Please try this out and give us a feedback. And do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Till we meet again. Bye-bye. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.